Hi, how much do you know about conventional medicine and the latest biological therapy? Nothing? Well, let me illustrate it for you. Let's say I have 11 fish in a fish tank. What do you think will determine the health of the fish? That's right, the water. Similarly, just as the water quality determines the health of the fish, your physical fitness determines the health of your body. This means that many cases of human death are caused by variances in fitness, not disease. For example, why do some people get cancer and others don't? And why do some people miraculously recover while others give in and die? You guessed it, variances in physical fitness. A strong autoimmune system and self-healing ability can make all the difference. But what is physical fitness? If the water in the fish tank becomes contaminated, some of the fish will become sick. But putting medication into the tank will affect all 11 fish, even the ones that are feeling well. This is exactly what happens to your body when you take medicine while sick. The drug will affect all your organs, not just the sick ones, thus causing potential side effects. So the water is polluted and dirty. Some fish have gotten sick and others have died. What could we have done to prevent this? Put medication into the tank? No. Remove the sick fish? No. Replace the sick fish? No, you can't. So what's the solution? Think about this. Why are there 11 fish in the tank? Because there are 11 organs in the human body. So if the tank represents your body and the fish represent your organs, what does the water represent? If fish need healthy, clean water to stay alive and well, what do our organs need? Blood. This is why we have our blood examined every time we go to the hospital with an illness. A doctor will screen our blood and classify the waste substances within. Fatty waste is called cholesterol. Acidic waste is called uric acid. And chemical waste is known as enzymes. Every time we go to the hospital, we'll be directed to one of the 11 branches of medicine according to our blood test results. 11 different fish go to 11 different specialists. In the case of cardiac disease, a heart specialist would suggest a coronary angioplasty operation, implant a new stent, and remove the old one. But has the patient's blood been cleansed after the surgery? No, it hasn't. So the heart disease will likely reoccur because the blood remains noxious. And as for kidney disease, a specialist would suggest undergoing dialysis or kidney replacement. In general, doctors will take one of 3 approaches when treating a patient. First approach, put meds directly into the tank, causing all the fish to experience the medicine's side effects. Second approach, remove the less significant little fishes, the pancreas, the uterus, etc. But will everything be fine after they're removed? No. The bigger fishes will face their own tragedies eventually, although your doctor may tell you it's just the after effects. And third approach, replace the fish. It's too costly to replace a big fish. Let's go with a smaller one. But which one? Liver? Kidney? Heart? The doctor usually has no idea how long you may live after the organ transplant, especially if the blood in your body is still dirty. It can be a miracle if you can make it 3 years. In regenerative biological therapy, or biotherapy, we treat the water inside the tank. But in what way? Firstly, your mindset. Your health won't improve if you don't have the proper values or mindset. Secondly, your habits. What causes the toxins and wastes inside the tank? It's you. Your lifestyle and eating habits cause your health to decline. And thirdly, your body. Conventional plasmapheresis methods only remove partial heavy metal from our blood. Mira Plasma Exchange is engineered to cleanse the fish tank and replenish it with biological factors to enhance its quality and keep the water consistently pure. Indeed, Mira Plasma Exchange is a biological approach to extracting the contaminated old blood from our bodies and replacing it with young plasma, with young exosomes that promote autoimmune responses and regeneration. Usually, when a patient first learns about biological treatment, the high cost is all they focus on. Instead, they should compare the CPI between biological treatments and conventional medication. For example, if a patient is diabetic, the doctor would prescribe them a lifetime blood sugar control medication. The patient may think, that's not so bad. Diabetic drugs are cheap, but unfortunately, they probably don't understand the complications that come with the diabetes. This mindset is exactly the problem. Medication may suppress the symptoms, but that won't prevent the actual complications from diabetes. It will still cause your peripheral blood vessels to contract, leading to many scary conditions. No matter how well you control your blood sugar with meds, complications will still happen. However, plasma exchange can repair and restore the functions of beta cells and insulin inside our bodies to contend against those complications. See, what you want is to be healed. Rectify your mindset so you can finally understand the real advantages of biotherapy compared to conventional medication. Now, we don't give medication to the sick fish, we cleanse the water in the tank. Young plasma contains specific delta proteins and growth factors that can restore basic cellular functions and make our bodies work like new. All the fish will be overjoyed by a clean and healthy bloodstream. Many Mira Plasma Exchange patients say they feel energized during the day and sleep much better at night after this treatment. Their cognitive skills, flexibility, and mobility improve as well. Plasma Exchange activates cells systematically, providing them with healthier surroundings. And when cellular functions are restored, the whole body improves. That's right, all fish will benefit from Plasma Exchange biotreatment. Conventional meds can expose patients to further illness, but biological therapy will cure and bring total healing. The doctor treats the fish, but we treat the water, thus healing the fish. Countless people suffer from depression and unhealthy circumstances. Drugs can bring side effects, and hospitals can't heal us completely. But biological therapy improves health and quality of life on a deeper level. It heals cells and tissue, cleanses the bloodstream, repairs organ functions, enhances the immune system, and restores the self-healing power inside of us. Once your blood is young, your body will become young and healthy. Remember, your mindset towards your health is far more important than the remedies. Give your cells what they actually need, and you will be able to add more years to your life and life to your years.